Got a colony of ants underneath my skin. My bones decay, now I'm gelatin. I swear I'm better, Miss Parasite Possessor. The world is burning, I got worms in my brain's gonna bleach my eyebrows, change my name. The world is burning and I laugh at the blaze, gonna bleach my eyebrows, change my name. Play my life like a video game, I don't mind. I'm driving through flames and I'm riding through the desert with the sword on my back. I'm in a with the monster truck, wanna go fast.
He told me that much and now he's dead. Told me to kill my indulgences with a sharp blow to the tempo. Pick up the phone, call and do everything he says. I could take a plastic camera, we could make such a pretty picture.
Development, I'm rising from the sediment. I'm clever with intelligence. I'm here to be the reckoning you. Settling, I'm breaking from the settlements and make myself uncomfortable with battle with the elements. I'm impeccable, delicious. Like what people feeding off my sauce and stupidly I fed them all. Incredible, coming like collectible. Everybody wants a piece, but nah, you can't get 'em all. 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 Check my flow, check my piece, it's exceptional. Self-belief and my worth unforgettable.
Got me singing I love you too. No more dares, only truths, girl, how about we go? Go up shelf, we not. Are you, you're not there, but I'm a little. Got me singing I love you too. Bossy, girl, come drive my boat. Ring that bell, bet they follow wherever we go. Diesel got that, pour him 3 more. Then stand up, please, let me see you put your hands on your knees. No more dares, only truth, we not. Are you, you're not there, I'm a little. Got me singing I love you too. Where you work on the weekend, where you go on a Sunday. Heard that place is the hot spot. I'ma take you to brunch then. I'ma get you to Rollie. I'ma take you to Italy. I'ma I'ma need you to show me everything that it's gonna be. No more dares, only truth, girl. How about we go? Go up shelf, we not. Are you? You're not there, but I'm a little. Got me singing out.
Yeah, Cole and Bossy, the passport bros, but we ain't shelling out cash for. No, I'm a little old fashioned, coast to coast out the show coat. Me and Lil Bossy in Barcelona, the news just dropped. I'm a Barcelona. What can I say? Tell Coach Cliff to suit me up and I'll play. I'm winning. We at Tate Mayfair, you can't get in the little back room when not many fit in. The prettiest girls all be grinning. They say I'm their favorite. They want me to. It's blatant. Now we on our MIA. We just hit Playa. They playing a dirt song. I'm on fire. A little red bone. She look like Maya and want me to try her. Oh Lord.
No more dares, only truth, girl. How about we go? Go up shelf, we not. Are you? You're not there, but I'm a little. Got me singing, I love you too.
The world is burning, I got worms in my brain's gonna bleach my eyebrows, change my name. The world is.
Io ho paura dell'amore, tu non chiamarmi mai, tu non chiamarmi mai.
We ain't leaving. We ain't leaving. Private after parties, red carpets, real Barbies. Scale taught me they reel you in just to hold you back. Don't need your MTV, your press. If it ain't about USD, save your breath. Grew up on EBT, VHS. Don't say less if you want, but we gon' make a mess. We ain't leaving. We ain't leaving. No, we ain't leaving. No, we ain't leaving. Till 6 in the morning. No, we ain't living. Kick in the door, won't get answers. Too late to board. This plane doesn't land. Take off your coat.
Certainly have, and they deserve to do it as well. They were the better team today. They were absolutely excellent.
And now it's all about enjoying these very special celebratory moments.
Well, just look at the joy on these players' faces. Absolutely incredible.
Prepare to walk together in anticipation of the trophy presentation.
Well, it's now just beginning to sink in. They are the winners of this great cup.
Any second now, they'll be able to hold it aloft. All congratulating each other, and rightly so. The sweet taste of success. And they don't want to let go of that trophy, do they?
Absolutely not. They've worked so hard to win this trophy. They've been brilliant throughout the tournament. Been a top-class performance from them and their fans.
And the celebrations will be continuing long into the night. I think we can say that without any fear of contradiction.
It's great to celebrate with the fans. They've made so much noise here. They've got right behind their team.
They certainly have, and the players greatly appreciate that. Always a joint effort on these big occasions. And now the players get to relax a bit and enjoy having the pictures taken.
Well, these photos will be cherished for years to come, won't they? Certainly ones to show the grandchildren.